Hello, viewers. Once again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whoever is from wherever, whichever part of the world you are in. Welcome to this week's broadcast from the Mintness desk. My name is Sunil Jatavitil. I know I wasn't there last for the last week's broadcast. And wish you all a happy new year once again. I know we are well into the second month of this year and it's gone by so quickly. Anyway, with me is Anish Verma and Ajay Rairot, and there are a lot of things to share with you. But before that, let me thank once again our customers, our well-wishers, our stakeholders, our investors, everybody for reposing faith in us, continuing to support us, and we really value your advice and friendship. Thank you very much. So, as I think Anish and Jay touched in the last week, we have progressed enormously into the computer vision skill and other things that we are doing the technical evaluation. We're getting much stronger in drawings and so with that, Anish, you will have something to share, and Ajay as well a little later. Anish.
All right, great. Thanks, man. Good to be back. I need to in.
Oh yeah.
All right, great. No, I think that is great. So we are good. It's great to have you back, and like you were discussing earlier, we'll try to invite some more guests. Maybe pretend our clients, our partners, and talk to our audience about what their experience with working with Rudy for engineers, Rudy for sourcing. But I was I'm very excited. I feel very bullish about lot of reach out that is happening from a marketing perspective, in LinkedIn especially. Right, we have been working closely with our EPC clients and partners, and trying to talk about how Rudy for engineers can help them there. With all the technical bid evaluations, drawing comparison feature is coming soon. Oh my goodness, that is just going to blow your socks off. Amazing feature. And then with the technical bid evaluation, just upload, download. I mean, there's no data entry. It's phenomenal solution that Ajay and team is building. So, we're very excited about that. But as we have spoken to some of our clients, as we have spoken to some of our partners, we are getting a lot of amazing feedback. And some of that feedback talks about how we can extend the availability of Rudy for sourcing, to engineers in other industries, right? And we were looking at LinkedIn, and there are so many great groups of people that get together, like-minded people who are facing similar challenges, similar issues, and are helping each other out. We want to be in those communities as well, and provide value to those communities, right? So our team has identified a few more groups. We are going to with a lot of intention focus on some of the sub verticals, like shipbuilding, waste management, water management, power generation, which will be wind, solar, regular electricity. All these areas that we are going to go and start providing value at, like we did with EPC. We are just hoping that we'll get more and more responses there as well. So we are very excited from that perspective. I mean, everybody that has seen Rudy for sourcing, Rudy for engineers says this can be used in any industry, and that's what we like to hear. Of course, we want to stay focused. We want to help engineers in the larger EPC sector, which spends millions and billions of dollars, trillions of dollars actually. It spends trillions of dollars on procurement. And millions and millions of hours are spent on evaluating and comparing supplier responses, and that's exactly where we come in, where we are reducing the average bid evaluation time of an average complexity material request by almost 40 to 50%. I mean, that's like half of the engineer's time. Just imagine if you get half of your time that you spent on bid evaluation back, what else would you do with that time, right? So I mean, from a marketing perspective, sales perspective, we are getting a lot of inquiries from all over the world. Actually, we had a recent inquiry from Nigeria. We are getting people looking and asking us for demos from India, Middle East, Australia, US, everywhere. but we are definitely getting into the African continent as well in terms of our reach. And we are very excited about that, Sunil and Ajay. I mean, we talk daily about this stuff, and this is what inspires us. This is what motivates us to continue moving forward, providing value to our clients. And yeah, I mean, me and my marketing team, we are very happy about the responses that we are getting. So great job, Sunil and Ajay. We are doing a great job. Ajay, thank you for your technical team, and you guys are pulling rabbits out of your hat every week. I ask for something, the client asks for something, and you guys do it. So it's phenomenal of the progress that we are making. So very, very happy. Our audience should be feeling very excited about this as well, because the more and more people can receive value from Rudy for Engineers, the better it is for the entire user community of Rudy. So we are feeling grateful, thankful, and we look forward to providing more and more value to our clients across the engineering industry landscape.
Yeah, and thanks, Anish. And the other day, I was actually talking to one of these, a senior engineer in a large EPC in Australia, and then interestingly, the one thing that stuck with him, I think, is don't change our process, and that I think is something that he really enjoyed listening to, because the thing is, when I discussed and I told him that it doesn't matter if your data is structured or unstructured, we don't care. You just upload it. Rudy has been trained to read what like an engineer would, and make some sense out of it. So that is, I think, striking a chord with a lot of our customers, that no data entry, no change in the process, and an ability to collaborate across, with discipline engineers and others. So Ajay, I know you wanted to touch something on the template agnostic area. You want to just elaborate on what else is the progress there?
Sure. Yeah. Yes, Sunil. Right. So I just want to carry on with what you just said, right, Sunil? The whole idea about being template agnostic, we are not going to change the processes, especially if if I have knowledge with me. I mean, I don't have to really go and change the process, right? I mean, no matter what it is, right? Be it an engineer's life, or be it somebody who's selling mangoes, right? If I understand, if I have the knowledge to relate to what he's doing, then there is no need for us to change the process. That's where all the traditional softwares have been lagging behind, where it does not have a lot of play around the knowledge piece of it, right? So where we are actually driving to ourselves to is the knowledge engineering space, right? Where we are equipping, we have domain expertise, we have knowledge about what actually constitutes a part or an item that needs to be procured, right? So if I understand that part, then it's the application of AI into that knowledge engineering, use that knowledge base and use that all those stuff to build an AI solution around it, right? So it's very exciting. It's very interesting on how slowly and steadily, I mean, from an industry-wide perspective, information technology is becoming more and more of a value addition rather than just a process automation tool, right? So when I used to hear in 2015 that AI would change the way we look at software and things like that, I another thing, right? But now it's making a lot of sense to me what people used to say. I mean, end of the day, intelligence, I keep saying, right, intelligence is all about knowledge and implementation of that knowledge, right? So if you're able to gather the knowledge and implement it correctly, we really are not worried about what the context is. I mean, the context does matter, but I don't think all these nuances about format and template and process and all, those are all human invented things to adjust to what we want to, right? So with knowledge I don't think we need any of these things, right? So it's very interesting, and extending on this knowledge engineering space. When we are in that space, it's a natural evolution for engineers to come up and ask us, okay, can you do this as well? And that's how we got into this computer vision technology around engineering drawing and things like that. A fantastic journey, right? It has made my hair a little gray, but it's okay, right? No, it's interesting. I'm really excited, and if you are able to apply this beyond engineering space, maybe in real scenarios where healthcare or education and all those things, we can have a real good impact to the society as well, right? We don't know where it comes in, but the computer vision overall, which is it is a little old, but right now it has matured to a stage where we can think about use cases which can have a real impact to the society. Okay, so great stuff. I mean, I'm getting pushed here and there by Anish, but that's okay. Again, it's a good problem to have, right? But it's fantastic to have this team working with us, and I'm really enjoying it. Right? You know, it's a lot of happiness and enjoyment around how we're trying to solve when we're getting all these challenges. So, really excited about it, Sunil and Anish, right? And I think we are rock and roll, rolling out many things into the world, into the different continents and industries, like what Anish was saying. I think exciting days ahead for sure this year.
Great.
Yeah. Sunil, if you may, I would like to add on that data entry thing, and I think you hit a very particular nerve, especially for us, who have been in the management consulting, IT consulting space for such a long time. I mean, the amount of experience among the three of us is like almost 65, 70 years. So we have been implementing, traditional IT solutions for our clients in our previous jobs, working for, Fortune 10 companies, and data cleansing, data acquisition, data cleansing, data standardization. All these things are a very, very big part of any IT system implementation, right? All ERP packages, all other engineering packages, bill of material packages, software packages, they all need a lot of data to be configured and fields to be had in the UI to enter information in. And we don't. I mean, all you have to do is upload a document and we fit right into your process wherever and however you do your engineering today. I mean, how much better can it get than that, right? And you're right, Sunil. I mean, that really helps our potential clients and clients adopt our solution as well, right? No data entry, by the way, no supplier onboarding either, right? Of course, you can onboard your supplier, but no supplier onboarding. I mean, we don't even have to give them a username, password to enter information into our system. All we are giving them is a very secure, channel to log in and enter the information based on the questions that they get from their clients, their EPC clients. I mean, I wish we had these solutions when we were growing up and we were doing our work, man. I mean, but it's never too late, I guess.
I know, Anish. I know it's never too late, I guess. And here again, like you said, adoption is the key. And we really want to provide value to our clients. So we want them to use it. It is not like, sell and go. We want them to actually use the system, derive value, and, enjoy it as well. And by the way, Anish, I know you touched on the mystery guest for next week. I'm not revealing who it is, but I'm sure if it is the person we were discussing, he brings a different perspective entirely to his industry. And so we'll look forward to seeing him next week if we can manage to drag him away from his current responsibilities, I guess.
Yeah, we look forward to it. So I think it'll be a great addition to the video. So the audience, who follows us on a weekly basis, these videos, we try to keep them, anywhere between 10 to 12 minutes. You don't want to go long so that you guys can consume the information faster. Watch it at, higher speed as well if you want to. We don't mind. But yeah, we want to add more and more value through these videos as well. And guys, if you have any questions, leave us a comment. If you would like to know more, if you want us to speak a little bit more about certain aspects, just leave a comment, and we definitely read all the comments and feedback, and we keep on improving these sessions.
All right. Let's see you guys next week. Take care. Have a great day.
All right, everybody. Ciao.
Bye.